Hi and welcome to OnlineCakeMie video tutorial. I'll show you how to make this 3D Cloud Fondant Topper. So if you're looking for a children's birthday cake design or maybe a christening baptismal, you could try this 3D cloud with the matching cute little bear or maybe a bird. So I'll show you how to do it. On this part, we're gonna start our tutorial on the 3D clouds. It's very easy. We just need to prepare our white fondant and roll it and make a circle. And we should make a lot of circle on this one. It's up to you if you want to put a lot, and it's up to you if you want to make it smaller. The smaller, the less fondant you're gonna use. So next step, we're gonna make a cover. We're gonna cover these circles using our rolling pin, and just take off all the make it more thin so we can see all the circle in the shape of our clouds. And that's it. And we're just gonna make it smooth all over it, each part of it. Just make it smooth, and we're gonna cut it. I'm using my tool, cake tool, to smooth the side because it's hard to smooth using my finger, so it won't damage the other fondant, that shape of circles and stuff. Yeah, and then we're gonna cut the side. This is only optional, you guys. You can not cut it and just put in on the bottom of it, fold it there if you guys wanted that. But if you're wanted to make it more fastest way, I prepared doing that, not cutting it, and just cover everything out, because you can grab it and in your hand and cover everything out. But for me, it's a waste of fondant, so I'm just gonna cut it so I can still use the other cuts fondants too. So that's it. So this is our 3D fondant. Yay! It's very simple, guys. It's so easy and nice design. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will enjoy making your own version of this 3D cloud. And also, I will have another video tutorial for this little cute teddy bear laying on this cloud. I'll upload it soon, so don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button for more updated tutorial video. And I will have more videos. Bye!